Birds of a Feather, written by Sita Singh, illustrated by Stephanie Pfizer Coleman, translated by Adriana Dominguez. This is a Dolly Parton Imagination book that's in English and Spanish. One spring morning, the Himalayan jungle welcomed a new generation of pea chicks, including one named Mo. Each one was covered in a coat of yellow or brown feathers. Mo and his friends roosted high and low, caught ticks and termites, and screeched loud into the night. Mo loved to roost, hunt, and screech, but what he loved most of all was playing hide and seek. By the second summer, each pea chick donned a crest. They grew flat feathers, tail feathers, fluff, fluff, fluff. Some had short tails, some had long. All the long-tailed pea chicks turned into peacocks with bright, bold, beautiful colors. All except Mo. Mo looked different. From the top of his crest to the tip of his tail, his feathers shone white. Mo didn't mind. The peacocks still did everything together. But as time went on, hide and seek wasn't quite as fun as it used to be. Mo couldn't hide like the others. He didn't have bright, bold, beautiful feathers. Mo looked different, and he began to feel different too. But his friends did what friends do. You're still a peacock. Don't think about it. Birds of a feather groomed together. You'll be fine. Mo shook off his worries. He was glad to belong to such a great group of peacocks. Soon the jungle announced its biggest day, the annual dance in the rain. The young peacocks couldn't wait to show off. First rain, first dance. They flocked to the color salon. They flew to the bird boutique. Color salon, rich in your reds, bright in your blues. All the peacocks pranced. They admired themselves, all except Mo. Bird boutique, fluff your feathers, trim your tail. Even with a fluff and a trim, Mo's feathers were no match for the others. Mo looked different. Mo felt different, and now he also felt alone. But his friends did what friends do. You're still a peacock. Colors don't make the bird. You can do this. Let's learn to dance. Neck tight, feathers loose, spread your tail. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Feathers swung open. The peacock strutted. They swayed. Colors swirled all around. Mo's friend shouted, "Go, Mo, go!" But all he heard was, "No, Mo, no!" However hard Mo tried, he only saw what he didn't have. Bright, bold, beautiful feathers. Mo looked different. Mo felt different. He felt alone, and now he was sad too. Then thunder crashed and lightning flashed. Suddenly Mo noticed a bright and brilliant glow. He straightened his slouch and loosened his wings. He looked all around until he realized the glow was coming from him. Right away, Mo took flight. In a swoop, he lit up the ground. Yes, Mo was different, but now Mo saw what he had all along, bright, bold, beautiful feathers, and his crest felt like a crown. As lightning flashed, the hip-hoppers croaked. He glows like the snow. The belly dancers trumpeted. He's as bright as a lotus. The rock and rollers roared, but we still can't see. Mo knew just what to do. He stood tall. He strutted and swayed. Then he fluttered his feathers and swung them open. As Mo danced, light flickered. It flashed. The jungle glowed bright. At last everyone could see. The peacocks fanned their feathers and danced together. Sounds of celebration echoed throughout the jungle. Mo smiled. He flaunted his plume as wide as he could. On and on he danced. On and on, Mo called to the sky. Tee-honk, tee-honk, tee-honk. That night, the rains didn't stop. Neither did Mo. And when his friends shouted again, he heard them loud and clear. Go, Mo, go. Thanks for listening. If you like what you heard, please click like and subscribe.